Silence is often misunderstood. Many people believe silence means peace, distance, or the absence of conflict. But in psychology, silence can be something else entirely. Silence can be a form of control, not loud, not aggressive, but quiet, persistent, and powerful. Silent control works because the human mind is uncomfortable with uncertainty. When communication suddenly disappears, the brain begins to search for meaning. Questions arise. What did I do? What changed? What am I missing? And in that search, control quietly shifts. One of the strongest tools of silent control is emotional withdrawal. Affection fades. Attention decreases. Connection feels distant. No explanation is given. This absence creates discomfort, and discomfort demands resolution. The mind tries to restore balance, often by adjusting its own behavior, becoming quieter, more careful, more compliant. Another form of silent control is withholding response. Messages left unanswered. Reactions delayed. Engagement reduced, not to create space, but to create pressure. The longer the silence lasts, the louder it becomes in the mind. Thoughts fill the gap, and those thoughts are rarely neutral. They often carry self-doubt. Silent control also relies on emotional unpredictability. Warmth, one moment. Distance, the next dot connection without consistency. This inconsistency keeps attention locked in. The mind remains alert, watchful, waiting for signals, always adjusting, never grounded. Over time, this creates emotional dependence because relief becomes associated. With the return of connection, another subtle aspect of silent control is denial through absence. Problems are not discussed. Concerns are not addressed. Instead, they are ignored. This teaches the mind a quiet lesson that expressing discomfort leads to distance, that silence feels safer than honesty. So expression decreases, needs are minimized, and control deepens. Without a single word spoken, silent control is effective because it feels indirect. There are no accusations, no visible demands, just space, distance, absence. But absence shapes behavior. Just as strongly as presence, understanding silent control is not about blaming silence itself. Silence can be healthy, but when silence is used to create fear, uncertainty, or self-doubt, it becomes influence. Awareness restores balance. When silence is recognized for what it is, its power fades. The mind no longer fills the gaps blindly. It pauses, observes, regains clarity. In the next video, we'll explore why manipulation often feels normal at first, and how the mind slowly accepts what once felt wrong. Subscribe to Dark Mind Theory, and continue exploring the hidden patterns of human behavior.